Have you ever had one of those days, everything's going swell, you get 5 of the 6 rotor bolts out, but that last one, it ain't going nowhere. Nothing's happening. Don't let one bad bolt ruin your whole day. We got help for you. But first, let's talk about how it got this way. What happened? Truman, what happened here?
Well, it can happen many different ways. I'm gonna go over a few of them. There's many more. Number 1 is probably tool engagement. You can have debris in the fastener. It can cause your tool not to get proper engagement, which will cause it to strip out. It could also cause it to go at an angle, and that'll cause it to strip out. So you wanna have full engagement, a little bit of down pressure, and nice straight onto the fitting, and then loosen or tighten. Over torquing is another way you can strip out a fastener. Over torquing can happen from use of power tools, too much leverage, just 2 grunts worth of torque is what these are gonna take. Rotor bolts have a shallow engagement as well as many other cycling components. So you want to be gentle with these and mindful. And that's with any bolt, because stripping them out can be a pain, as you'll see later. Improper tool selection. That can be a major issue as well. You can damage the tool and you can damage the fastener by doing this. This is a T20, this is a T25 Torx. This will turn this fastener. This is loose now, I can turn it all around. If I was to get this to torque, it would strip the fastener out and you'd be left with some issues. You could also have the same issue, because this would be a hex key, 3 mil, fits into a T25. I can turn this fastener with this tool, but it is gonna strip it out, for sure. So those are just a few different ways it can cause a stripped fit fastener.
But that's all water under the bad bolt bridge.
And we're here in the here and now, and we wanna get this done now.
There's some ways to do it. One of them is a screw extractor. It's a special bit, takes some preparations. It's supposed to back that bad bolt out.
Another option is a left-handed drill bit. This drill bit you would use while the drill is going left. This, with any luck, will catch on the fastener and extract it as you're turning that drill to the left.
Another bit of a desperate move is just simply to take a regular bit and drill the head right off of it. Anything left sticking out, we're gonna try and grab with a pair of pliers and carefully back that out. But in this setup here, we're gonna look at it, think about it, and figure out a way to do it just with our simple tool and our brain. What is a rotor? It's nothing but a big washer underneath the head. The pressure is right on the head of that bolt. I'm gonna turn the bolt counterclockwise. I can't.
Turn the washer counterclockwise.
We're gonna turn the washer.
That might be money.
So I'm gonna put the tool right in the bolt and press a little bit, then I'm gonna grab the rotor. Truman, hold that wheel.
Yep.
Yeah, and go. Oh, hey, it didn't turn all the way. Didn't need to. I got a few degrees, and hey, it is coming.
It is moving.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna be fine. On this hub, it's not quite as easy. It's a different design. We've got a lip on the inside. We can't rotate that round and round.
You can't rotate it round and round, but you can move it just a little bit. So if you move this, so I'm gonna move it backwards, tightening it this way. Let's see, we're gonna turn it counterclockwise now, and you're gonna actually see it move a little bit. Teeny little bit, and that relieved a little bit of pressure.
That's right. You can ratchet it back and forth with the wrench in it, back and forth and back and forth. It's gonna want to loosen. Threads want to loosen.
Who'd have thought?
Yep. So don't let a bad bolt
ruin your Tech Tuesday. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching. You can find hundreds more videos like this one on our channel here on YouTube. And we're constantly working on more. So be sure to subscribe for the latest content from Park Tool. And check out our website, which has even more content to help you make your bike better.